What's up, guys? I'm Gabriel Bim from Best Prototypes Manufacturing. Today is 27 June 2022. I'm going to show you guys around our 5-axis CNC milling center. Let's go. Okay, you can see the temperature and the moisture. They are very critical factors for machining. Okay, we have the constant temperature workshop. They all have precision machining machines, branded Beijing Jingdiao, one of the most precision milling machines. Okay, the main maximum rotation is 32,000, and the minimum radius of milling tools is 0.05, and the maximum machine part size can machine 700 times 500 times 400, and the most high precision tolerances can be achieved 0.05 millimeters, and the best roughness of the part can be achieved 0.02. Okay, let's have a look at the milling tools. The minimum radius of milling tools is 0.05.